formatting in a tricky way. So if somebody is asking you to choose one of the option, one is conditional and the other one is cell formatting, so I recommend you always choose cell formatting, because cell formatting is a very easy process and conditional formatting, it takes times. First, here I will show you 5 tips which will help you in future, I think. First, I will show you how you can add thousand separator and remove decimal places. Just select the data and right click and format cell. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl 1. Click on number and see the decimal places. So this should be 0, and checkbox use 1,000 separator. So click on this checkbox and you can choose any of the format, positive, negative. So I'm happy with that, so just click on OK. Here you can see the 1,000 separator has been added. Now if somebody is asking you to hide the zeros from here, so what you will do, you will just select selected format and then copy it, semicolon, minus, copy it. Okay. Oh, I missed the last semicolon. Click on OK. See, the 0 is hiding from here. Okay. So if you want to, you can see the 0 is not actually hide. It's not so visible here, but in the formula bar you can see the 0 is visible. Okay. So if you want to add some text here, specifically I will tell you some custom formatting rule. So the first part is only take the positive value, and the second part is take the negative value, and the third part is 0. So if I write here it's 0, and the fourth part is some text. Okay, so just click on OK. You can see that the text has been appeared here, but the 0 is here. You can, if you select here, you can see the 0 is present here. Okay, so that's, now I will tell you difference between 0 and placeholder. So this placeholder is a variable placeholder and 0 is only a placeholder. Suppose if you do this, all the numbers will be high, but it's not actually hidden here. You just select the specific area and change general from here. You can see all the numbers again. So let's see the difference between 0 and hash. So for this, click on number and then custom, and if you want to add 0 in front of 1, okay, then what you need to do, you need to click on custom, then 1 2 3 4 5. That means 4 has already present here, so I will add one more extra. Okay, so you can see a 0 has been added. in front of 1 2. Okay, now I will show you if I will put has, what it will do. You can see the difference. So that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoying this video and subscribe my channel.